Okay, this is a demo for Professor Bike for the network setup. So I wanted to show you here that I have my setup finally. Now I did it on my Mac, very old Mac, but it's working. So on the left side I have my server 1. In the middle I have my server 2. In the very right I have my server 3. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the features that I have here. I'm gonna log in as an admin on this one. The machine 2, on the server 2, I'm going to log in using one of the accounts for the domain name. Insert, oh, wrong command. Oh gosh, this is not as easy as it is on the PC. Besides, the machine is a little bit slow. Okay, so I'm on P. Parker and I'm linking into the domain already. So I'm going to use the password. Oh my gosh, that's so slow. The recording is taking a lot of resources. Cursor is jumping back and forth. Okay. Okay, blink. Okay. For my third server, I'm going to use another account. And this one will be okay for J. Smith. And I'm going to log in. Oops, too much. It's on the domain. I don't know if the password went through now. Okay, there it is. The 3 are logged in, and now I'm gonna go back to my server 1, and I'll show you the domain settings. Wow. Wow, 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 this is so slow. Okay. I'll try to use the arrow keys. Active Directory, users and computers. Okay, so I have my 3 accounts here. I'll explain which accounts I have. Okay, This account is for the peer-to-peer network 1, 2, and 3, Lopez. So I have Jennifer Lopez, Alex Hernandez, and Lady Gaga for 3 users for the peer-to-peer network. I have James Smith. I have Joe Koo, and the third one is Peter Parker. Okay, and those are under the domain users. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I also created an extra account just to put it on top of the domain. Pamela Harris. Oh gosh. No, that's not it. Pamela Harris. Okay, so I have this account, and we can see the accounts, and we can see it's she's on top of the domain. So what we can do is change the privileges of this user. Okay, so I have it as administrators, and I have it as a built-in and administrator and domain users. So I'm going to revoke those privileges as administrator. Okay, so she is only for the domain users and doesn't have any top privileges among the other users. Going back to my other server, I'm gonna pick server 3, and I'm gonna open my computer. Finally. Okay, so from here in the main computer, in the main server 1, I have a folder called domain share, and I want to access it from here, from server 3. So I'm going to type in the server name, so I can see this is my folder for the domain share. The other one is for the peer-to-peer. And I also wanted to show you on the main server, if I can go back there. I forgot to click apply on this one. Now we do OK. And now I want to show you the computers. Of course, if we can access the folders, the computers are right here at the domain. Oh my god, I apologize for this, it's so slow. Okay, so here is my computers on the domain name, and I guess that will be it for this demo. Hopefully you can watch it with patience and bear with me with this slow system. I don't know what happened, but in my desktop it's taking me an hour and a half to reinstall these virtual machines again. I don't know what's going on, so that's why I decided to install it on the Mac. It did it within 14 minutes each virtual machine. So, but the problem is I cannot run so many apps on at the same time and do a smooth presentation. Hopefully this covers everything I need to tell you about the setup, and if there is something else you want me to show, please let me know.